In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create epics in Trello 2025 with a full and easy to follow tutorial. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com, simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, which will take you to Trello's homepage. Once you're on the page, the next step is to look for the login button. It's prominently displayed, usually at the top right corner of the page. You'll want to click on that to access your Trello account. Now, when it comes to logging in, you have a couple of options. You can log in using your email, which is the traditional way, or if you've linked your Google account, you can use that option for a quicker login process. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you, and go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Boards section of Trello. This is where you'll manage all your projects, tasks, and lists. Within this section, you'll find your workspaces, and it's important to go to the right one where you want to create your epic. In the Your Workspaces section, select the workspace that contains the board where you'd like to add your epic. Look for the board you wish to work on and click on it. This will open up that specific board, which is crucial as it's your primary workspace for managing tasks and projects related to this epic. Once you're on the board, you need to find the Add a List option. This is where the magic begins. Click this button and a new list will appear on your board. We're going to name this new list Epic. It's a simple but important step because naming conventions help organize your workflow and make it clear at a glance what each list contains. Once your epic list is ready, it's time to start adding cards to it. Click on the Add a Card button, which will allow you to break down your epic into smaller, more manageable parts. For this tutorial, let's name the first card User Story 1. User stories are a great way to organize specific tasks or goals that are part of your larger epic. Once you've named your card, click Add Card to create it. Repeat this process a couple more times to expand your epic, with additional user stories named User Story 2 and User Story 3. Each card represents a component of your epic, helping you manage different aspects of your project easily in Trello. And there you have it, you've successfully created an epic in Trello. This method of breaking down complex projects ensures that everything is organized and manageable, making it easier for you and your team to track progress and complete tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.